Killer whales are usually found in large pods. Pods are usually found swimming along coastlines and also found swimming in the deep ocean. Within their groups, orcas will communicate with each other through a series of sounds and different gestures.
Killer whales are very social and curious animals. They can be seen investigating and observing things that are unusual to them, such as humans. In rare cases, they will interact with humans in a curious or playful manner.
Orcas can display many playful behaviors. Seen now, they will drag kelp alongside themselves using their fins and mouth. This is called kelping. They can also be seen poking their heads out vertically to look at their surroundings. This is called spy hopping.
Orcas will slap their fins and tail on the ocean's surface, which is also known as lobtailing. This is used for communicating and hunting, but it's also a playful behavior. One other general behavior is breaching. This is when the orca comes up to the surface either to take a breath or to leap out of the water. Orcas have many different hunting techniques and behaviors.
With a school of fish, a pod will work together to round up the school towards the surface. Once the fish are in position the orca want, the pod will take turns thrashing their tails at the fish. The fish that got hit are stunned and give the orcas a chance to swim in and eat them. Killer whales in the Arctic will spy hop around ice flats in search of seals that rest upon them. When one is found, the group of orcas will swim together towards the seal and dip down below the ice flat. This creates a wave that knocks the seal off into the water, leaving it vulnerable towards the orcas. If the seals and sea lions are along the shoreline, killer whales will go to desperate measures to capture them. Killer whales will swim up onto the shore in hopes to grab their prey and drag them in the water. This hunting technique and behavior can prove to be dangerous because the killer whale risks beaching itself. Not just seals and sea lions, but with other larger marine organisms, orcas will use their tails to hit or fling their prey. Killer whales will even hunt down larger species of whales. In this hunting technique, orcas will pick out the weakest and youngest whale to attack. They will chase the whale for hours to exhaust it. At a certain point, when the whale is exhausted, the orcas will start to bump into the whale and slap it with their tails. Finally, the orcas will flip the whale over on its back to try to drown it.